What's up, Circuit Point Tech family? Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses have been everywhere lately, but here's the thing. Most people barely scratch the surface of what these glasses can actually do. Sure, everyone knows about taking photos and listening to music, but there's a whole world of hidden features and capabilities that completely change how useful these glasses become. I've been diving deep into all the updates, hidden functionalities, and real-world user feedback to uncover 8 things about Ray-Ban Meta glasses that'll probably surprise you. Some of these features are genuinely game-changing, while others solve everyday problems you didn't even realize you had. Today we're going beyond the marketing hype to explore the features that make these glasses genuinely useful in daily life. Let's unlock the full potential of your Ray-Ban Metas. These 8 hidden features transform Ray-Ban Meta glasses from simple smart accessories into comprehensive digital companions that enhance daily life in subtle but meaningful ways. From communication and content creation to navigation and translation, the glasses solve real problems while maintaining the natural flow of your activities. Which of these features surprised you most, or which one would change how you use smart glasses in your daily routine? The combination of these capabilities creates a genuinely useful wearable computing platform rather than just a novelty device. If this deep dive into Ray-Ban Meta's hidden capabilities opened your eyes to what's possible with smart glasses, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to Circuit Point. We're constantly uncovering the hidden features, practical applications, and real-world value of emerging tech. Check the description for current pricing and availability information. Until next time, this is Circuit Point, and remember, the best technology often hides its most powerful features in plain sight. We'll see you in the next one. The microphone system on Ray-Ban Meta glasses is way more sophisticated than most people realize. These frames pack 5 built-in microphones strategically positioned around the frame, creating a spatial audio capture system that picks up sound from every angle with remarkable clarity. This isn't just about making phone calls, it's about creating natural, immersive communication experiences. When you're on a call, the person on the other end gets crystal clear audio that makes it sound like you're having an in-person conversation rather than talking through a typical headset. The hands-free messaging capabilities are where this really shines. You can say, "Hey Meta, send a voice message to Michael," and it records and sends your message instantly. Or, "Hey Meta, open Michael's message and read it for me," and it handles the entire interaction without touching your phone. This eliminates the constant phone-grabbing routine for quick communications. Whether you're cooking, driving, exercising, or just have your hands full, you can stay connected without breaking your flow. The microphones are so discreetly integrated that you forget they're there, yet they maintain voice clarity even in crowded, noisy environments. This transforms the glasses from a simple audio accessory into a genuine communication hub. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera system includes a feature most people overlook: intelligent format optimization for social media. Instead of capturing everything in traditional horizontal format that requires cropping and editing later, the glasses can record directly in vertical format. This means your Instagram stories, TikTok videos, and Facebook posts are ready to upload immediately without any post-production work. You capture, and you're done. No cropping, rotating, or reformatting required. The camera quality rivals iPhone 11 performance, which is impressive considering you're capturing everything completely hands-free. The ultra-wide lens provides immersive perspective while maintaining sharp detail and good color accuracy. For content creators, this vertical recording capability eliminates a major friction point in the content creation workflow. You can capture authentic moments in the exact format your audience expects without the technical hassle that typically comes with mobile content creation. The seamless integration between capture and sharing transforms these glasses from simple recording devices into complete social media production tools. The Ray-Ban case looks identical to classic Ray-Ban cases on the outside. Sleek leather exterior, soft interior lining, timeless design that matches the glasses perfectly. But this case is actually a sophisticated charging system that most users don't fully appreciate. Every time you place your glasses in the case, they automatically begin charging. The case provides up to 8 full charges before needing to be plugged in itself, effectively giving you days of extended usage without wall power access. The subtle LED ring inside the case shows charging status at a glance, so you always know your power situation without guesswork. This eliminates the battery anxiety that plagues most wearable devices. For travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone with long days away from power outlets, this charging case transforms the glasses from devices you need to manage carefully into reliable daily tools you can count on. The genius is in the seamless integration. Charging happens automatically as part of your natural storage routine, not as an additional task you need to remember. The AI visual recognition capabilities go far beyond basic photo identification. You can literally ask, "Hey Meta, what am I looking at?" and receive detailed information about landmarks, buildings, objects, or anything in your field of view. This feature transforms travel experiences by providing instant context about your surroundings without the awkward phone-searching tourist behavior. Walking through a new city becomes an interactive learning experience rather than a guessing game. The conversational AI remembers previous questions, so you can have follow-up discussions about what you're seeing. It's like having a knowledgeable companion providing real-time commentary on your environment. Beyond tourism, this works for everyday situations. Identifying products in stores, recognizing plants during hikes, understanding architectural details, or getting information about anything that catches your attention. The information appears instantly without interrupting your natural exploration flow, making learning about your environment feel effortless rather than forced. The reminder system turns your glasses into an invisible personal assistant that keeps you organized without being intrusive. Simply say, "Hey Meta, remind me to call Sarah at 6, and the glasses handle the scheduling automatically. Unlike phone notifications that you might miss or ignore, voice reminders through your glasses feel natural and immediate. The reminder system integrates seamlessly into your daily routine without creating additional notification fatigue. This feature excels at capturing those fleeting thoughts that usually get forgotten. Taking something out of the oven, remembering appointments, watering plants, or any small task that typically slips through the cracks. The reminders don't overwhelm or distract from your primary activities. They quietly keep you organized while maintaining focus on whatever you're doing in the moment. The live streaming capabilities extend far beyond simple video recording. You can broadcast directly to Instagram or Facebook for up to 30 minutes, giving your audience a genuine first-person perspective of your experiences. This creates authentic content that feels less like traditional filming and more like bringing people along with you in real time. Your followers see exactly what you're experiencing as you experience it. The privacy implementation is thoughtful. A small recording light activates whenever you're capturing or streaming, making it clear to everyone around you that recording is active. This maintains social courtesy while enabling powerful content creation. For content creators, this eliminates the awkward process of holding phones or setting up cameras while trying to experience moments naturally. The glasses become invisible broadcast tools that capture authentic experiences. The QR code scanning functionality eliminates the phone fumbling routine that dominates modern digital interactions. Looking at any QR code automatically triggers recognition and processing through the MetaView app on your connected phone. Restaurant menus, Wi-Fi connections, event information, product details, all accessible by simply looking at the QR code rather than pulling out your phone, unlocking it, opening camera apps, and manually scanning. The convenience accumulates throughout daily life, removing friction from countless small digital interactions that collectively consume significant time and attention. The real-time translation feature transforms international travel and multicultural interactions. Simply say, "Hey Meta, look and translate this" when encountering foreign text, and receive instant translations overlaid through the connected app. This works for street signs, restaurant menus, product labels, instructions, or any written text in unfamiliar languages. The glasses provide context and understanding without the complex phone-based translation process. Beyond travel, this helps with everyday encounters with foreign language packaging, labels, or documents that you encounter in multicultural environments. The translation happens instantly and naturally, making language barriers feel less intimidating and more manageable in real-world situations.